Creating recurring invoices in Brisk Accounts. Create a recurring invoice by starting a new invoice from the dashboard or the sales section, then fill in all details as usual. Instead of clicking Create Invoice, click the arrow beside it and select Create as Recurring. Set the start date, interval, and desired actions, then click Record. Continue watching for more details on how to create recurring invoices in Brisk Accounts. Recurring invoices are special invoices that automatically generate regular invoices on a set schedule. They're useful for billing customers periodically without having to recreate the invoice each time. To create a recurring invoice, start by clicking the green Create New Invoice button on the dashboard. You can also go to the Sales section in the left side menu and select New Invoice. Fill out the invoice details as you normally would. Enter the customer's information, payment terms, and deposit account. Add your itemized list with applicable taxes, discounts, and shipping fees if needed. When ready, click the arrow down button beside the Create Invoice button and choose Create as Recurring. Set the first generation date for the invoice, then choose how often it should repeat in the interval dropdown. In the Action dropdown, specify what should happen when the invoice is created. You can also enable options to update item prices if they've changed, or replace certain text with dates and descriptions by ticking the relevant checkboxes. Click Record to save. To manage your recurring invoices, go to the Invoices list and select Recurring from the View dropdown. From there, you can edit an invoice by clicking the Actions button or its reference number, adjust the schedule by selecting Edit Schedule, discontinue it by choosing Delete Stop, or generate the next invoice immediately by selecting Run Invoice Now. For more Brisk Accounts tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.